everyone, welcome back to the quick tech tutorial. Today for this video of quick tech I will be showing you how to unhide post on Facebook timeline. So for that, open the Facebook application and then get logged into the account of yours first. So once you're at the home page, you need to tap on profile icon of your Facebook, tap that. Then you need to tap on the three dotted line just beside the edit profile, tap that. Here you need to tap on the option activity log, tap on it. Now in the activity log page, you just scroll down to the very bottom and then tap on view activity history. Here you will find all the histories that you have made. Once you're at the activity history, you tap on filter, then you tap on categories. In the categories option, you need to tap on the logged action and other activity at the bottom, tap on it. It will give you all this option, and in between those options you need to tap that hidden from profile option, tap on it. Now here you will find all the posts that you have hidden on Facebook timeline. To unhide it, you just tap on the three dotted line beside it and then tap on add to profile. This will remove the post from here and then it will be shown in your profile. That is, this is a way how you can unhide post. Tap the dotted lines, tap on add to profile, and if you refresh it, it will be removed from here. So this is a way how you can unhide posts on Facebook timeline. Please like and subscribe the quick tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.